saan ba 'to nakukuha? Saan ba nakukuha itong mga stem cells na ito? Well, actually, alam niyo po ba that stem cells are already existed a long time ago. Okay, 1970s pa ata itong stem cells na ito, no, na na-discover. Okay? And on the process of discovering of the research and all, kaya ngayon nagkakaroon na ng process na pwede na siyang i-capsulize, no? Kasi dati talagang kinukuha ito sa mga human stem cells, like for example bone marrow, ayan, meron ding embryonic, ayan, cord blood, yan, placental tissue, yan po, no, bone marrow, kinukuha, tina-transfer, ini-inject sa patient, especially for leukemia. Okay, so diretso po yan, na injection ng stem cell therapy. Okay, so marami ng mga studies about stem cell therapy talaga. Okay, peripheral blood and also fat or adipose. Dito po sa ating elixir placenta, since it's placenta, so we use the placental tissue. Okay, ano po bang placental tissue ang ating gamit dito? This is the deer placenta. Ayan, it's from New Zealand. Okay, so ito po, no, ang pinagkunahan na natin dito is the New Zealand. Wow, grabe, no? New Zealand, sa pagkakaalam talaga natin, kapag napunta ka talaga sa New Zealand, very fresh yung paligid, the air with no pollution, ayan, and ito yung mga gustong-gusto ng mga deer, no? So, talagang nakukultivate sila ng maayos, nakakakain sila ng maayos, okay? And to tell you, wala po tayong napahamak na deer dito on the process, no? Wala po tayong pinatay or wala po tayong na-violate na animal legalities, no, dito sa ating deer placenta. It's because wala rin pong napahamak na doe yung kanyang baby. Okay, so because we're just getting yung placenta lang ng deer. Okay, ayan. And we have these 14 ingredients with 3 therapies. Okay, so this is something that we have to be proud of in GFox. Okay, wherein tayo pa lang in this market that have 14 ingredients and also 3 therapies. Okay, tayo pa lang po yan, no, na meron sa ating market na ito. And these ingredients has been also explained to us by Dr. Francis de Cangcion. So kung gusto nyo rin pong to dig deeper kung ano yung mga isa-isang ingredients, kasi ngayon papahapyawan ko lang po ito, no, ang ating mga ingredients na ito, ang ating mga therapies. Okay? So here, these are the raw material coming from different countries such as New Zealand, Germany, Taiwan, South Korea, and Portugal. Ayan. So ito yung mga something that we have to also memorize. Okay? So kasi kapag nagtanong ang ating mga clients, saan ba galing ang mga raw materials ng elixir placenta? Ay, alam ko yan, di ba? So talagang dapat memorize. New Zealand, Germany, Taiwan, South Korea, Portugal. Okay? So